So people got amazed. Why is it so? Why Manju Thakur used to cover his camera with his finger? So what he replied, he told that this camera senses our activity. Whatever we do, it records. And you are familiar with this. When you are happy, your phone shows you happy reels. When you are sad, your phone shows you sad reels. And you become very happy that Instagram is my very good friend. When I am happy, it shows me happy reels. When I am sad, it shows me sad reels. It understands my feelings. Apart from this, have you ever think why and how it happens? It happens because it senses your activity. Whatever you